1. Angus Bull, a popular beef cattle breed known for its high-quality marbled meat and black coat. 2. Hereford Bull, a hardy breed with a white face and red body, widely used for beef production. 3. Charolais Bull, a large white cattle breed originating from France, known for rapid growth and heavy muscling. 4. Limousin Bull, a muscular French breed valued for lean beef and strong carcass yield. 5. Simmental Bull, a dual-purpose breed from Switzerland used for both milk and meat production. 6. Brahman Bull, a heat-resistant breed with a distinctive hump, originally developed in India. 7. Santa Gertrudis Bull, a red beef breed developed in the USA with Brahman and Shorthorn ancestry. 8. Shorthorn Bull, one of the oldest British breeds, used for both dairy and beef. 9. Gelbvieh Bull, a German breed known for fertility, fast growth, and good maternal traits. 10. Beefmaster Bull, a composite American breed designed for hardiness and beef productivity. 11. Texas Longhorn Bull, famous for its extremely long horns and adaptability to harsh environments. 12. Wagyu Bull, a Japanese breed renowned for producing highly marbled, premium beef. 13. Highland Bull, a Scottish breed with long horns and shaggy coat, adapted to cold climates. 14. Galloway Bull, a hardy Scottish breed often used in extensive grazing systems. 15. Dexter Bull, a small-size Irish cattle breed suitable for small farms and dual-purpose use. 16. Belgian Blue Bull, a heavily muscled breed known for its double-muscling genetic trait. 17. Chianina Bull, one of the largest cattle breeds from Italy, historically used as draft animals. 18. Maine Anjou Bull, a French breed developed for beef production with good growth rates. 19. Brown Swiss Bull, a dairy breed also valued for beef in some regions, originating from Switzerland. 20. Holstein Bull, a black and white dairy breed widely used for milk production globally. 21. Ayrshire Bull, a Scottish dairy breed known for strong adaptability and milk quality. 22. Normandais Bull, a French dual-purpose breed producing both quality milk and beef.